Welcome to the next part of this exercise. And having completed the main elements of our model, let's carry on, and begin placing the corresponding cases and combinations. Let's for example start off by placing a set of imposed loads, such as those pertaining to the live loads, and those which may belong to finishes, coatings and other quasi-permanent elements in the structure. Here we have both cases now properly defined over our model. Thus let's carry on, and create yet another load case. Or in this occasion, that pertaining to the lateral soil pressure. And that we should consider over the surface of the retaining walls. Now through this third area. We could configure both the distance to other objects. And the underground water level. Finally, and most importantly, through this bottom area. We could define the geotechnical profile of the soil. Or the general composition of the different soil layers. Now and having defined this load, let's carry on, and go to the Results tab. Here we have this load now correctly applied over the surface of all the retaining walls. Hence we may carry on, and assign next a fourth type of load that we still need to consider. Or in this case, that pertaining to the moving loads of vehicles present in the underground parking levels of this project.